You will forever be in debt. There is no escape. Every dollar you touch belongs to me.
Please.
I am here to keep you in bondage. Do not get educated.
Can anybody help me?
Bondage ends where the wealth explosion begins. Do I have your permission? Now learn the way out.
I give you permission to fight for me. I'll learn whatever I need to learn. The systems, the books, whatever it takes.
You no longer have authority here.
I'm so thankful for the wealth explosion system.
Visit wealthexplosion.org for free resources that will break the bondage over your life.